Hi, this is Gujjat and we are back at Ramada Powai in Mumbai where we are hosting the Global Education Excellence Awards 2017 brought to you by Prime Time. You've already seen part 1, you've seen how exciting the day was, and let me tell you, episode 2 would be none the less. So let's go in and find out how the celebrations now that with the awards. Our next award for most emerging private school in Uttarakhand goes to Doon Heritage School. And we have Mrs. Minakshi Soti, principal of Doon School, here to receive the award. A big round of applause. Our next award for the most promising film school in South India goes to Neo Film School, and I would be more than happy to call on stage Mr. Jain Joseph and Mrs. Deena Jain to collect the award. Our next set of awards are for training institutes. In today's age, we all look for niche skill. In this category, we honor those people who want to get trained and polished in a dedicated field. The first award in this category is for the best emerging PGDCA institute in Assam, and it goes to Abacus Computer Academy. Our next award category is Best Computer Education Center in Aurangabad, and the award goes to Maharashtra Center for Career Education. I would be inviting on stage Mr. Manish Pandurang Mahajan of Maharashtra Center for Career Education. Congratulations, Mr. Manish. The award for Best Advanced Networking and Cybersecurity Training Institute in India goes to IANT. Please put your hands together for Mr. Ajay Vyas, Operations Manager, who is here on behalf of Mr. Rahim Firoz Khurani, CMD. The next category on the award is Best Network Training Institute in Hyderabad, and this one goes to NetMetric Info Solutions Private Limited. Can I please have stage Mr. Mohammad Abdul Rahman of NetMetric Info Solutions Private Limited. The next award is for Best Montessori Teacher Training Center in Alua, Kerala, and it goes to Apple Tender Care International Preschool and Montessori Teacher Training Center. Big round of applause to them. Unfortunately, the representatives couldn't be with us. Our next award for the Best Vocational Training Institute in Telangana is Lao Winspire, and I would like to welcome Dr. P. Madhuruba Reddy of Lao Winspire to the award. Many congratulations, ma'am. The next award, Most Promising Kids Care and Montessori Teacher Training in Trivandrum, goes to Oxford Kids Montessori House of Children and Teacher Training. Let's invite Professor N.K. Satyapalan, Director of Oxford Kids Montessori House of Children and Teacher Training, to the award. Our next award, the Most Promising Corporate Training and Consultancy Services Company Award 2017 goes to All Analytics. And I'm inviting on stage Dinesh Shetty, Sudesh Rao and Rakesh Roshan Jha, Directors of All Analytics, to receive the award. So in the next set of awards, we will honor the Polytechnic Institution. The first one is for the Emerging Polytechnic College in Maharashtra, and the award goes to DKTES Yashwantrao Chavan Polytechnic, Ichal Karanji. And can I please call on stage Mr. A.P. Kothali, the chairman of DKTES Yashwantrao Chavan Polytechnic. This is the best Polytechnic college in Thane, and the award goes to Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. Please welcome Shri Rohidas G. Patil, Shri Mahesh G. Mhatre, and R.B. Patil of Patil College of Diploma Engineering and Technology. We're moving on to the next category of awards. This is the one that recognizes the best engineering institutions. Ladies and gentlemen, our first award in the engineering category for Best Private Engineering College in Visakhapatnam goes to Vignans Institute of Information Technology, and we have with us Dr. Challa Narsimham, Principal of Vignans Institute of Information Technology, with us here today. Our next award in this category is for Federal Institute of Science and Technology, and this award goes to, actually the award is called the Most Promising Private Engineering College Kerala, and the award goes to Federal Institute of Science and Technology, FISAT. We have with us Mr. Paul Mundanandan, Chairman of Federal Institute of Science and Technology. Our next award in the category is for the Best Private Engineering College for Placement in Maharashtra. And the award goes D.Y. Patil Technical Campus. We have with us Dr. Santosh Sonawani, Director, and Mrs. Shweta Sharma, Training and Placer of Dr. D.Y. Patil Technical Campus. Coming up is the award for Academic Excellence in Science Technology in Kerala. And the award goes to Mr. Paul Mundanandan again. Can we have Mr. Paul again stage with us to receive the award? For the Best Hotel Management Institute in Hyderabad. And this goes out to Leo Academy of Hospitality and Tourism Management. We've got with us the representative from the Leo Academy of Hospitality and Tourism Management. Our next award for the Best Hotel Management Institute, Training, Infrastructure and Placement in Kolkata goes to NIMAS. Can I please call on stage Mr. and Mrs. Supratik Ghatak from NIMAS. The next award is for the Best Hotel Management School in Pune. And this one goes to International Institute of Hotel Management. For some reason they couldn't be here today, but nonetheless we are going to celebrate and give them a big round of applause. It's for the Most Promising Business Management Institute in Chennai. And the award goes to MISAI Institute of Management. Can I please call on stage Dr. D. Nisar Ahmad, Director of MISAI of MISI Institute of Management. This is the award to recognize the top leading business school in India. And the award goes to ISTTM Business School. Can we welcome Mr. Rajesh Nayak, Director of ISTM Business School. The Most Promising Pharmacy College of West Bengal award goes to Calcutta Institute of Pharmaceutical Technology and Health Sciences. I would like to invite on stage Professor Dr. Rabindra Bebnath, Principal and Chairman, Calcutta Institute of Pharmaceutical Technology and Allied Health Sciences. Our next award is for the Best Institute for Pharmacovigilance and Medical Writing of the year 2017. And the award goes to James Lind Institute. Can I please Dr. Mufti Suhail Saeed, Director of James Lind Institute, here with us. Next award is for the Krypton Science College, Bhubaneswar, for the Best Private Residential Science College in Odisha. We have Mr. Rajiv Kumar Panda, Chairman of Krypton Science College, Bhubaneswar, here with us. For the Most Promising Law College in Delhi goes to Chandra Prabhu Jain College of High Studies and School of Law. We have Professor J.P. Mohala, Director Academics of Prabhu Jain College of High Studies and School of Law, to collect the award. The next award for the Best Corporate Trainer, Law of Attraction and NLP World of the year 2017 goes to Dr. P. Madha Reddy. Can we have Ms. Reddy here on stage with us to collect the award? Our next award for the Best Coaching Institute for Medical Entry in Odisha goes to Milan's Academy. And I have Mr. Milan Samad from Milan's Academy here with us to receive the award. The Best Coaching Institute for Competence in Mumbai goes to the Prayas India. And we have with us Mr. Amrish Kumar, CEO and founder of Prayas India, to receive the award. The next award for the Best Performing Arts Institute in Kolkata goes to Z4 Dancing Network. Can I please welcome Mr. Swati of Z4 Dancing Network to collect the award. Moving on to the award, the Best Private University of the year 2017 in Rajasthan goes to University of Engineering and Management, and we have Mr. Krishnendu Kundu, General Manager, and Dr. Biswajoy Chatterjee, Vice Chancellor of University of Engineering and Management, here to receive the award today. Our next award for the Best Young entrepreneur in social service sector in Telangana goes to Helping to Hand. And we have Mr. Mohammad Abdul Rahman, Global Sales and Marketing of Helping to Hand, to collect the award. The award for Most Promising Overseas Education Consultant of the Year 2017 in NCR goes to Sustained Education and Economic Development, SEED, and we have Mr. Vijay Alreja, Partner of Sustainable Education and Economic Development here to receive the award. Our next award for Best Teacher, Government Engineering Service Exams in UP goes to Muhammad Arham Siddiqui. Can we have on Mr. Muhammad Arham Siddiqui to collect the award? This award is for the Best Teacher for Excellence in Imparting Life Skill of 2017 in Ahmedabad. This one goes to Dr. Colonel Atul Bhandari. Our next award for Best Education Consultant of the Year 2017 North Bing goes to All India Education Development Trust. We have with us Mr. Sankhar Pramanik, Chairman of All India Education Development Trust here to collect the award. To the Most Promising Overseas Education Consultants of the Year T17 goes to Goodwind Education and Career Consultancy Services, and we have Mr. Dharmesh Shah to receive the award.
Great, feeling great that people appreciating our work, what we have done all this number of years.
They need the right kind of guidance when they're happier.
Our 2017 North Bing goes to All India Education Development Trust. We have with our 2017 North Bing goes to All India Education Development Trust. We have with us Mr. Sankhar Pramanik.
Different body job, sir. It has been awarded.
Well, Kids in Crayons is, I can say, my second child. It's my passion. I've been running the school for the last 16 years. And I say passion because this was my dream since I was the age of 9. I knew right from the age of 9 that I wanted a school of my own. And it's not a job for me. It's my passion. I love going to work. I believed being there for the children is very important. I go each and every day. I have a very strong, well-trained staff who support me.
I'm Dr. Narsum Muhammadam, Principal of Vigilance Institute of Information Technology, Vishnam. First, I would like to say sincere thanks to Prime Time for organizing this sort of event. It will encourage the education institutions and also that every time that it will come into our mind that something that we have to do.
I won the award category of Touch-Free Early Training Center, one as a best preschool activity center and daycare. So my vision was that which I'm a mother. So when I didn't get these all things in one roof, I thought of having this for us at least in my vicinity. This actually I would like to generally thank Prime Time for giving us this platform, because usually in a country like India, people more focus Bollywoods and cricketers. But then I'm happy that there are people who recognizes the efforts of an educationist. Eventually these people come out of an educational institute. So I think educationist deserves a pat for their hard work, and I'm glad that Prime Time is recognizing the hard work of educationists.
Myself is Manish Mahajan, Maharashtra Center for Career Education, and very thankful to Prime Time for giving such a national level recognition to us, and definitely function was superb.
Thank you. Let me tell you something about my name is Rakesh Roshan. I did my graduation from IIT Powai, worked for multiple corporates in India and served multiple customers across the world and all. Working for around 16, 17, I realized that there is a lot of gap between the organization demand and the supply.
Our 2017 North Bing goes to All India Education Development Trust. We have with our 2017 North Bing goes to All India Education Development.
And they always make your heart soar. So thank you, Prime Time, for giving us the platform and helping us share our achievement with the other educationists.
First and foremost, I'm Mrs. Boshumita Sinha. I am coming from Bhopal Girls School, and hats off to Prime Time to give us the best girls school in Bhopal. Feeling elated, absolutely jubilant, and of course catering to the girls' need, and as my logo, because your daughter has dreams.
Yeah, I'm Mrs. Meenakshi Soti. I'm the principal of Doon Heritage School, and I have come all the way from Dehradun. As you know that Dehradun is famous for rich heritage of its academic excellence, because it has got world-class schools which have made name all over. So we have competition, we have to prove among the best. So because that's the reason. So I just started my school with humble beginning 4 years back.
In fact, today, very grateful to all of you, grateful to Prime Time that I have been awarded the prize of the Outstanding Teacher in Excellence for imparting life skills in Ahmedabad for the year 2007.
My name is Alfonso Derasi, and award which is one of the best public school of the year 2017 in Maharashtra. I am working in a remote area. It is an Adivasi taluka in Amanar district, Akole. The school started in 1992. This year we completed 35 years. In fact, our real task lies in bringing up the students from the tribal belt.
I am Santosh Gupta. We won the award in the category of Cyber Security IT in India, and we received the award on the behalf of Mr. Khirani. He is a vibrant personality. हम लोग जो काम कर रहे हैं गवर्नमेंट ऑफ इंडिया के साथ में, डिफेंस के साथ में और साइबर पुलिस के साथ में मिलके हम एक तो साइनेस के ऊपर काम कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि साइबर सिक्योरिटीज के लिए अवेयरनेस इम्पोर्टेंट है. तो हम लोग साइबर आर्मी दैट इज रिक्वायर्ड इन इंडिया एज वेल एज अब्रॉड आल्सो. सो वी आर वर्किंग ऑन दैट.
I am actually in shock. We are blessed and thank our family who's been behind us, and he's the backbone of our school, and I don't have any more words.
Thank you to the Prime Time, those who have given us the opportunity to do that, and we are very fortunate to have you people to help us to this message. Spread education as much as you can. Once you educate your child, no child can stay. They will earn their living through education. This is what I feel.
I'm Pravish from Happy Model School, Varanasi. Our school is categorized as the best senior secondary school in Varanasi. And just I want to share with you, education is a matter of research and passion. we are admitting, accepting and admiring the experience of our students. And I'm telling you, it's a big challenge and responsibility on us.
My name is Amresh. So basically I'm running the institution, the Prayas India. So let me tell about the Prayas India. So Prayas India basically क्या करता है कि competitive examinations का preparation करता है. Competitive examinations in the sense like UPSC, MPSC, banking, SSC, CIVL के exams होते हैं. So basically like अभी government में बहुत ही opportunities है like banking jobs हो या railway jobs हो. तो what we do, we guys do the preparation for all these jobs and हम लोग try करते हैं कि ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोगों को selection हो.
I have a lot of gratitude for Prime Time, and this really brought all together, all achievers together under one roof, and giving this is a great acknowledgement. I really thank each one of you behind this, because you are all great inspiration, because you really recognize the right talents, which gives us a superpower motivation to move ahead in life.
I'm really thankful for Prime Time Research Media for recognizing our work. And in our institute, where last 32 years we are specializing in technical work, but last in 5 years our unit has been started, especially in mechanical, civil, electrical, electronics, computer. In 5 segments we are working for the diploma segment.
Today event is very good. One thing, something about me, I was in government service in Agartala. After that, we constructed one pharmacy college at Agartala in a name set. But the RIPSET rules regulation was not suitable for me.
I should congratulate and I should be really thankful for the Prime Media, because today I met 2 legends, first of all, and their history and their and all, you know, it's really motivating for us.
First of all, thank you for organizing this type of meeting for us. I'm Paul Mundadan, Chairman of Federal Institute of Science and Technology, FISAT, Cochin. The reality is that it is an engineering college that is run by a trade union in the banking sector.
So with this, we conclude the Global Education Excellence Awards 2017, which was presented to you by Prime Time. We couldn't be happier, each one of the winner. And did you see the excitement? We did, and that's exactly why we're going to come back very soon with more stuff. I hope you enjoyed as much as we did. This is Gunjan signing out for now.